When doing home appliance inspection, electric range cannot be overlooked. Home inspectors usually just turn it on and that's it. But that's not the true inspection. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an inspection of the electric range. I'll be using this Electrolux range, but you can apply the same approach to the range of any make. Hello homeowners, my name is Gary. I'm the owner and operator of the Techvill Appliance Repair in Calgary, Alberta. On my YouTube channel, I share tips and advices on how to look after your appliances, how to avoid breaks, and how to make educated choices when it comes to selecting the new appliances. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so. Alright, you guys can run a quick inspection of the electric range by yourself and get an idea of if something can be potentially wrong with this appliance, which may cause you to get it fixed down the road. There are three main things which should be diagnosed: control panel, surface heating elements, and temperature of the oven compartment. Now let's look at them one by one. Number one, control panel. The control panel is one of the most expensive parts of your electric stove. It's very necessary to double check that all of the buttons are working, because even if one is not working, it might dramatically affect on the way how the appliance is working in general. In this particular case, the control panel assembly is like a monoblock, so it controls surface elements as well as the oven compartment. We can see a couple sections in here. Left side controls elements on the left hand side, and the right hand side elements controlled by this part of the control panel. The middle part of the control panel always regulates the temperature and cycles of the oven compartment. So it's very necessary to double check all of the buttons. Simply click it, and each of them must give you a response. After you click each button, don't forget to click cancel, otherwise you might program it or went to test mode accidentally. Number 2, surface heating elements. It's very easy to verify that the heating elements are working properly. Just simply put it on the highest mode and then decrease it after 30-40 seconds. You must see that the coils are red before you decrease the temperature, and then once you decrease it, they must dim. Here you check up two things. The first thing, you verify that the heating element is actually working. And the second thing, which is more important, you verify that you actually can control the temperature of the heating element. Number 3, oven compartment. In 90% cases, homeowners use bake cycle on 350 Fahrenheit. All you need to do, you need to set up your oven compartment on bake cycle and select 350. In many cases, it's the default settings. As you can see, it reached 350 Fahrenheit desired temperature, which we set up. Now we're gonna check the actual temperature. For these purposes, I use the thermostat. The perfect spot when you select the middle of the oven compartment on the wall. That's the most accurate temperature. As far as you can see, the actual temperature is around 330-335 Fahrenheit. There is a small temperature differences, that's okay. We put it just on the bake cycle, we didn't use the convection. When you put the convection cycle, yes, the temperature inside the compartment is going to be smooth, all the way the same temperature. On the bake cycle with no convection, you have a temperature layers. That's basically just because of the temperature differences, the heat coming from the down in here, from the bottom, from the bake element coming up. Another important thing, once it reaches the temperature 350 and you open up the door, the oven must reignite or just send another signal to the bake element because of the temperature actually decrease. We open up the door, the temperature inside of the compartment going down, and it must reignite or reassign the cycle. That's actually what happened. I heard the relay click on the control board and it started heating up again. When you set up the bake cycle on 350 Fahrenheit, it might take you 10 to 15 minutes. If it takes you longer, that means something's going wrong. So again, 3 things to check in your electric range: control panel, surface heating elements, and oven compartment. That's it. Smash the like to this video and let me know in the comments if my advices were useful to you. In the next inspection video series, we will show you how to inspect the electric dryer at your home. I will see you soon.